To disable the liquid glass in iPhone 17 Pro, first of all we'll need to open the settings on our device. Next step is to find the accessibility, and then when you enter it, scroll down to the display and text size. That way we'll be able to find reduced transparency that you can activate or deactivate. So make sure that it's active if you want to disable the liquid glass. For me, as if I disable it, as you can see, all of the icons are in liquid glass, and then when it's on, they return to somewhat not transparent background. Additionally, what you can do is click and hold your finger onto the empty home screen and then navigate to Edit in the top left corner of the screen. Go for the Customize, and then right here you want to select the default options, which will turn off any transparent app icons. And now when it comes to the lock screen, let's click and hold it as well and move to Customize. That way we'll be able to click on our clock, and then we can change to solid options and select a different color for it. So that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching, and if you like this video, please consider subscribing.